Good evening, I'm Lavinia Ndiva and welcome to Fiji Today News. Fiji's economic outlook remains positive, with the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Finance adding that Fiji's Human Development Index rating improving by 6 places, pushing Fiji to the 86th position of the rating from 92 in 2007. The index rating is a comparative analysis measuring life expectancy, literacy, education and standards of living for countries worldwide. Apart from analysing and measuring those areas, it is also a model to measuring well-being, especially child welfare.
Economists, government personnel, NGOs and academics were part of the Fiji Economic Update held at the University of the South Pacific recently. Ministry of Finance Permanent Secretary Filimoni Wangambada revealed at the update that the outlook of Fiji's economic status remains stable and positive. Wangambada reminded the participants at the update on government's commitment towards increasing the private sector involvement in the economy as the budget falls over the year. With foreign reserves sitting at $1.6 billion, Mr. Wangambada emphasized that economic growth is projected at 2.7% over the next few years as government is focused in investing in agriculture, renewable energy and cementing import substitution base. The acceleration of public sector reforms would also invigorate revenue collections into the government coffers. However, Mr. Wangambada also acknowledged that inflation had been in the higher zone these days, and this has been attributed to external supply factors, which is beyond government's control, with our national debt now standing at 53% of our gross domestic product, or GDP, after the successful repayment of bonds. He said that in comparison to same-sized countries to Fiji, located in South America or the Caribbean, Fiji's debt level is relatively low, as their debt levels is well beyond aggregate output of their GDP. Mr. Wangambada went on to cite the various initiatives in complementing Fiji's economic status, saying that the sugar reforms are assisting the economy, as well as the environment created to enable investment in the country. The PS Finance concluded his statements by highlighting government's commitments towards drafting a new constitution by 2013, which would be tailor-made to suit the aspirations of the Fijian people.
The last National Oral Health Survey by the Ministry of Health was conducted in 2004, and the result of the survey, which was published in 2007, has revealed some alarming statistics. The ministry has been working towards this issue through various strategies and policies, and it also hopes to implement some changes in the 2011 National Oral Health Survey.
Oral surveys are considered essential in our country, as majority of the population suffer oral health conditions such as dental caries. The survey will assist the ministry to determine the oral health issues and their treatments in Fiji. Surveys will be carried out in selected areas, namely Yandua, Kandavu, Central and Coastal Viti Level, and Vanuatu, to determine our oral health status in various age groups, both in rural and urban populations, with an estimated 6,000 subjects to be surveyed and will involve 3 teams. The last survey, which was carried out in 2004, identified dental caries and periodontal diseases as major dental problems in Fiji.
And the 2 main dental diseases that were very obvious was dental caries and periodontal diseases. This survey will be conducted jointly by the Ministry of Health staff, as well as the academic staff and students of the Fiji National University, College of Medicine, Nursing and Health Sciences. And the survey will consist mainly of oral examination of the subjects, and they will be asked relevant questions regarding their oral health.
Dr. Lal highlighted that the survey results, which is expected to be released early next year, will help the ministry determine the treatments needed for people in regards to oral health.
The survey results and findings will be reported early next year, and the results will be used to map out strategies and policies that will help us address the oral health needs of our people. These results of the survey will also be shared with the private practitioners and other stakeholders who deal with oral health in the country, to help us determine what kind of interventions and treatment needs our people need.
The ministry is urging members of the public to support this survey.
We'll take a short break before we bring you more on Fiji Today News.